In the last few lines of the first senja, in the last video, we have covered that how most of the children who are living in a slum, they are facing a lot of troubles in the classroom, which was devoid of proper amenities as well as accommodation, as well as some illumination and ventilation. Here is given of twisted bones reciting a father's gnarled disease, his lesson from his desk at back of the dream class, one unnoted and young his eyes live in a dream of squirrels game in a tree room other than this. So this is the first senja, last few lines of the first senja, in which we have seen, in which we may see that of twisted bones reciting a father's gnarled disease. So what there was, I have already told you that there was a tall girl and a boy with red eyes who was reciting a lesson from his desk. So he is given twisted bones, means most of them are malnourished, undernourished, and that is why they were suffering from arthritis or bone diseases as given here. Twisted bones means they may have arthritis like a bone disease, reciting a father's gnarled disease. And what he was reciting from his desk, a kind of lesson of science, which has no meaning for them because they can't afford a good diet. So there is no use of such education. There is no use that they know how such kind of malnutrition takes place, because they can't afford a good diet, a balanced diet, to keep their malnutrition away. His lesson from his desk at the back of the dim class. So one unnoted, sweet and young, his eyes live in a dream of squirrels game in tree room other than this. So in a contrast, a kind of contrast is shown here. There was also a boy, except besides that boy who was red, who had red eyes, or the tall girl. Here's a boy who was sitting at the back benches. He was unnoted because nobody have paid any kind of notice or attention on that boy. He was sitting simply at the back benches, and he was dreaming for a good future, for a bright future. He was just dreaming, visualizing a kind of game where a squirrel is playing in the block of a tree, and it is playing in a block of a tree room. In that way, you may say that a boy, besides or apart from the other students in the classroom, he was visualizing for something better in his life. So it's all about the first senja. In the next video, I will bring one more for you. Second senja. Thanks for watching.